guys, we are almost done with our project. So today we're going to be looking at attractions. I've zoomed it, excuse me, I've zoomed it way in so that we can see a little bit better, but you should have 3 of these as sections. And all 3 sections have the same questions. We have where are you going, cost for admission for one person, cost for the whole group. Okay, so you on your itinerary should have picked out at least 3 places that you want to go. If you decided that you were going to go to more than 3 places that cost money, you're going to off to the side have to do another one of these or another 2 or however many. You can use as many of these as you need, but you had to have at least 3. Now, if some of the things that you're going to do aren't going to cost money, you still need to tell me where it's going to go. You can tell me that it's free. And then obviously the whole group is going to be free. So I still want to know about every single one of your attractions, because when somebody looks at this project that you've created, this vacation that you have planned, they'll be excited to know that one of the things that's on this vacation is free. They don't have to pay for it. So if it's free, that is okay too. But I want to know about all of your attractions here. Now, this is something that's going to be challenging. That is okay. I want it to be a challenge, okay? I don't want it to be easy for you. It might be easy for you. There might be a website, but first, let's say you're going to be going to the San Diego Zoo. You are going to find the San Diego Zoo on their own website, and you're going to figure out how much it costs for one person. Now, sometimes a child and an adult cost different amounts, so you can make an adult cost 5, children cost 2, and then for the total cost, you would have to figure out, well, if there's 3 adults, you do 5, 10, 15, and 1 child plus 2, and then how much the whole group is going to cost. If everybody is the same amount, that's fine too, okay? You just say the cost of admission for one person is $10. The cost for the whole group is $40 if you have 4 people going, okay? Now, getting to the website and finding that information is what's going to be the challenging part. I want you to do this by yourself. I know you can do it. If you were here at school today, you would be doing this by yourself. So don't go bug your parents when they're trying to get their work done, because I believe in you. I know you can do it. I know, because you guys figure out stuff in here that blows my mind on the internet, okay? You guys are so smart when it comes to the internet. So now use what you know to figure out what to type into the search bar in Google to find wherever you're going, whether that be a zoo or a museum or wherever. A lot of times at the top of a website, there will be a bunch of options, and a lot of them will say like visit or admissions or cost or something, and that's going to tell you how much it costs to get in. Okay, once you start picking up on that lingo, it's going to be easier and easier to find how much your things cost. So do this and please try to do it all by yourself, because it's really not that hard, and it will give you some valuable experience in Googling things, because I promise you'll be doing it your whole life, Googling to find out how much things cost, where to go, what to see. This is really good experience in figuring out how Google works aside from finding your favorite YouTube channel. So please try to do this by yourself. You have to do it at least 3 times. Go back to your itinerary. Look at the places that you listed on your itinerary. Those are going to be the things that you have to find in your attractions. Okay? We are almost done. 1 day left of this project. Woo!